Absolutely. Good evening. I'm Tarini Kulkarni here, and I'm a certified career planner with Infigon Futures. We have a small firm that is Indocon Consultants, and I work as an associate with Infigon Futures. I have been into recruitments basically. So we always have this habit of questioning the candidate regarding their background, checking onto their English, asking them what are they looking for in future, what kind of job they would prefer, what they have studied. So all these questions have definitely helped build a rapport with unknown faces, which I guess will definitely help me into counseling. And it is at the moment, as I'm talking to quite few people whom I don't know them. But then it is good. That experience is definitely helping me out here. Yes, definitely. I was going across the youth and talking to them with the friends and relatives. They have their children. So I found that there is utter chaos in their mind. What to do and what not to do. They have half the knowledge. There are certain careers which are trending, so they look at it on YouTube or something and they decide to follow it. I have known people who have chosen a particular career as to take up a degree, but then after 2 years they said that no, it doesn't suit us and we are not interested in doing this, we'll shift to something else. So the parents are very baffled, that what to do after 2 years. He's saying that I don't want to do this. So looking at this entire scenario, I thought that there has to be some person in vicinity within the area that we can guide them, tell them what is happening, what is not suitable for them. So that is what I was looking out for almost since a year, that I wanted to shift from recruitments to career counseling. First thing is authenticity. If I show that certificate to somebody, people need to agree onto it. So when I came across the Infigon advertisement, I saw that the certification is approved by Government of India, the Ministry of Commerce. So I said that definitely this gives me some validity that I've completed the course. And obviously people will look at it with respect and they will take my advice. They need to have authenticity is very important in this case.
Very true.
Yeah, I came across Infigon on the Facebook. There was the advertisement going on. So I just went through that and I called up the office. So they gave me the entire thing. They sent me a mail which gave me the details of the course. And they also told me how would they help me later on once I finish my certification. Definitely, it was very catchy that they said that they would help us start up our business as well. So yes, definitely, everybody looks at it that after your certification is complete, you will just have the certificate and you don't know what to do. How do you approach? You definitely talk to students and people, but then it is astray. So you need a channel that you can go through and you can set up yourself.
Right.
So Infigon gave us this platform that yes, we will let you know how to go about it. So that was really great. Here the first and the foremost thing is the trainer. Our trainer was Ms. Lakshmi ma'am. So she was very kind enough, and it happens that we have come from a different background altogether, so understanding the technical terms and everything is at times gets difficult. But the very first session and the first 5 minutes, we were very comfortable with her, and it didn't came to our mind, that in the next session, do we ask her a question or we don't? We were so comfortable that we could, just throw any questions at her and she would answer us very patiently, and we would get the reply to what we are questioning her. So we were very happy about that. And the process was very nice. The sessions were properly timed and there was very good coordination. So it was an overall very nice experience. Okay, they offered us a website, a complete website, and they also told us how to navigate. Infigon is constantly helping us by sending us videos as to how do we raise our own queries we come across certain queries with regards to the technical issues. So Infigon replies us that how do I go about that particular thing. As they offered us the website, they also told us how do we set up ourselves on the social media so that people can get in touch with us easily. Because now that has become a very generalized platform that everyone is there on social media. So that is the way they are very much helping us right now as well. It was a very nice journey right from looking at the advertisement. It was very promising. Because I had seen the video of Omkar sir, so that was really promising, and that is the way we started with Infigon Futures. The course was really good, and I guess it is more people should get into it, because as we look at today's scenario also, there are more graduates who need to be told that how they have to go about their career choices. So I guess the number of career counselors should be more, and definitely they should look forward to Infigon Futures. It was quite easy. We received a Google form on the WhatsApp also and the email ID. So we filled up the enrollment form and we gave our personal details to them. That was submitted. Then later on we got a call of how do we enroll for the course. So we did that, whatever required payments and everything. And that is how we got enrolled for the course. It was very nice that they helped us with the website, because at our age, we are not that technically strong as you are. We look at social media, just for a little while, just keep us updated so that we can, talk with the youth and be aware of it. But then overall, it was a good experience, and definitely they helped us setting up the website completely, and they also took us through the website. There were sessions for us wherein they explained us how do we go through the website and how can counselors look at our own things when children or students are booking their sessions. So how do we identify that? And how do we talk to them for the first time? So all this was going step by step, and which was really very helpful. So we are very sound with it now, and still Infigon is with us, saying that we can always get back to them if we have any technical issues. I am looking forward to higher secondary students. As I said, that they have a lot of chaos in their mind with one career today and one career tomorrow. So definitely I'll look at them. And with regards to the education landscape that we see, there are a lot of courses which have come up in these 2-3 years, which parents are not aware of. So I feel as a career counselor, at least I could reach out to most of the people and tell them that, what all they can do, because certain people have this, not to do with this, because my child will not succeed in this particular region.
Yes, true.
So they need to understand that what test we are offering, we can give them a better opportunity for their children to decide what they can do. So that is the main aim and focus, to reach out to more parents and make them aware of what's happening currently. As you have mentioned already, parents are very rigid about certain things. Okay, you have to follow this particular thing. So I need to tell parents that please treat your child as a different individual. They are a different personality altogether. So definitely they have certain dreams which are not fulfilled. But then it's not necessary that the child will follow the same dream and succeed in that particular career.
Very true. Yes.
Treat an individual separately, and please come to Infigon Futures so that we can guide you very well. As I said that we already have a 5-dimensional test approach, which gives us the psychometric test. It shows us the personality, it gives us the motivators, the learning skills, the interest of the child. So definitely all this is very much helpful for us. there is a report that gets generated. So the counselor and the student, they both understand what we are dealing with. At times it happens that the child themselves, they doesn't know their personality, what they like, what they don't like.
True,
but when
true.
they take the test, they're very clear about certain things. And then they agree to us, when we read out the report, they are like, yeah, I've seen this before, I've felt like this before. So that is a very positive sign that they are very happy with the report as well. So I suggest that please take up the test so that you know where you're going and use the right channel that you can progress further. Yeah, you can reach out to me on my website, which is indoconconsultants.infigonfutures.com. You can directly go to the website, which gives a lot of details of what is it and how the process is followed. Or you can reach me on my personal email ID, which is tarini_k@yahoo.com. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp, or you can reach me on the social handles, that is LinkedIn. You can reach me on Instagram or Facebook. First thing I'll definitely recommend, I've already started recommending it to people, because they need to understand, at least for our own knowledge, we need to understand what is it. Secondly, with regards to Infigon Futures, it is a very nicely devised program which gives us complete knowledge of what it is. You come from any vertical, we have been trained in such a way that the 200% knowledge is passed on to us, and we can face almost any parent as rigid as they can be. The certificate is authentic, so I guarantee that there will be more people who would approaching and who know that what the certification has value. So there will be definitely more people coming to us, and that would be all, I guess.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's our honor really to have you with us in this journey, because the entire time you showed such great enthusiasm towards learning, towards taking an approach. So we're so glad to have you, because this is like a mutual relationship, because you show enthusiasm, we show enthusiasm. So I'm so happy that you took an initiative and then you liked us so much, and we are grateful to have you with us.